Hi to all of Steven's subscribers. Thanks for being here with him. You're part of something special.
This little AI device will actually blow your mind. Its name is the Lookie L1. This is a multimodal AI device that you can wear around your neck like a necklace, or you can even take it off, put the magnet inside and clip it to your shirt. So it just looks like a little floating AI buddy. Touch down on the front to ask an AI question and use the buttons on the side to record video, take photos, record audio, or my favorite, story mode. But first, if you appreciate me showing crazy AI devices like this or these Ray-Ban Metas, both of which you can look and ask questions about your surroundings, then go ahead and subscribe, because I've been wearing this little magnetized AI for the last 7 days, and it does something that no other tech wearable I've ever used does. It makes one area of your life substantially better in a way that is actually better than the Ray-Ban Metas. And it does other crazy things too. Let's get into it. So picture this. You're making meaningful memories, pull out your phone, take cool little pictures. You're taken out of the moment a little bit. A step up from that is something like these Ray-Ban Metas, glasses that have a camera in them. So I can just put them on, I can take a picture or a video, but these have a couple problems too. You still have to reach up, take the picture, and there is a 3-minute recording limit. And well, you have to be wearing glasses when you're capturing whatever moment it is, and maybe you don't wear them. But then we have level 3. This is the Lookie L1. You could press this button to take a video, this button to take a picture, and this thing is super light. For the last week, I've been using this really cool feature called story mode. Basically, you just tell it how often to record random interval videos of certain amounts of time, and then it uses AI to only curate the best highlights of your day and summarize everything that you did with little AI notes. So you can see the Lifelog calendar here. If I go to a couple days ago, you'll see it has already created little highlights. Now, these aren't actual vlogs. These are just what the AI has determined are the most exciting moments of the day. You see there's only 4 categories here of activities that we did. If I tap on the first one, it has these 2 highlight videos the AI thinks are the most exciting moments from that activity, since it says highlights down here. But if you actually press all, these are all the videos it took of just that one session. So it records a ton of videos at random intervals throughout the day and organizes them for you with little text descriptions. As you can see here, afternoon smash session. That was a rage room. Also, if you go to the chat section, it'll summarize the different chats you had with the AI on different days. You can also dig through your own memories if you happen to forget things. Who was that girl I hung out with 2 days ago?
You spent time with Haley 2 days ago. You mentioned finding her funny, and you seem to really enjoy your time with her.
Okay, that's right. It just took videos, and obviously it has random context of conversations, or you're referring to each other by name. It stores all of this data on Amazon Web Service cloud storage, which is obviously secured through Amazon. And you can literally remember so much of your day-to-day life. And don't worry, it's not gonna die randomly in the middle of the day. This thing has crazy battery life. I think trees are super beautiful. What is a really pretty one that's around the Seattle, Washington area?
I love that you noticed the beauty in trees. Around Seattle, the Japanese maple is truly stunning.
So activating the AI is really, really easy. You don't even have to press a button. There's literally a touchpad in the front. You just hold it until you feel it vibrate, and then it's listening, let go, and then it responds. It's honestly the easiest AI I've ever used, because I don't have to say, hey Meta, or go up here and press a button. You just lightly touch your finger to your chest for a couple seconds while you ask the question and let go. It's so seamless, it's kind of crazy. So it summarizes your chats from day to day as well. But then we have something really cool. So if you go to the For You tab at the front, it actually creates vlogs of your day to day, fully edited just for you. Not only that, but it summarizes all of the highlights of your day. Only you would turn errands into an adventure, rage room catharsis, glow putt laughs, and that neon arcade sprint before a cozy hotel, pizza and twilight unwind. Today's vlog celebrates how you recharge, break what's heavy, play hard, then rest. So if I tap on yesterday's highlight reel, by the way, it generates these the day after. It actually creates a really cool video. Have to do anything. I just make sure that on the device tab, story mode is glowing purple, which just means it's on. You can start this manually at the beginning of the day by tapping and holding this bottom button for a couple seconds, and that's it. You don't have to do anything. You get a vlog for your whole day. You can ask questions about your own memories every single day, and it summarizes and categorizes all of this. And you can also go through the individual videos and use them for whatever purposes you want. And the video quality is pretty good. To curate the best highlights of your day and summarize everything that
spicy after a little bit. I just don't. street out of black. I can't keep up to date with the pink and blues because
which that one makes more sense, but. So I mentioned before the battery life on this thing is crazy. It's actually 12 hours of that continuous basically recording periodically all day. This isn't like the Ray-Ban Metas or other AI wearables that advertise 6-8 hours of battery life, but while recording you only get 1. This is actually 12 hours of recording automatically all day. It lasts me like a day and a half to 2 days. So the camera quality is actually surprisingly good. It's 12 megapixel photos, but 1080p 30 FPS video. And that's with a 190-degree wide field of view. It's actually horizontal, so you can actually use these clips for things like YouTube, unlike many smart glasses out there. It also has HDR support and adaptive ISO up to 4800, whether low light or bright outside situations like this. On top of that, this thing only weighs 30 grams. The Ray-Ban Metas, they're almost twice as heavy as this little thing. It's crazy. And while you'll probably notice it's there at first, you will literally forget it's there for most of the day, which I definitely do. The other crazy thing is this can actually help make your life better in other ways. Based on what it sees, hears, and understands, it can give you advice on your mood and what things maybe are making you unhappy, give you little proactive nudges if you're engaging in an unhealthy habit a lot. This thing really is designed to actually make your life better and more convenient. And don't worry, you don't have to get it in this bright green color. They also have a white and a black version for whatever your style is. The other great thing about this is you're not gonna run out of space because you have Amazon Web Services cloud storage that it can auto upload to if you allow it. The limit, it says on my app, is 500 gigabytes, which is a ton. And honestly, I was really skeptical of this thing in the past. I thought the idea of something recording my day-to-day was like kind of weird, not gonna lie. But again, I barely notice it. It's super secure because it's stored on Amazon servers, and you can even just leave it stored locally if you want. And overall, this thing could be extremely powerful to capture both big moments and small in your life. If I took this traveling, it would change everything. It would be insane. But even just a day hanging out, doing random stuff can be really fun. It's also IP67 water resistant, so I could probably jump in this pond and it would be fine. Since the Oakley Meta Vanguards are also IP67 water resistant, and they literally went underwater in the teaser of that video. So is there anything bad about this device? Well, if you don't like the idea of recording random things, then you don't have to get it. Like I said, I was a little skeptical at first, but I think the benefit far outweighs any cons since it doesn't store any of your data. They don't have access to it. Amazon doesn't have random access to it. It's all securely stored. So the question is really, do you want to actually use this? And is it worth the $199 that this is currently going for? If you want to check it out, it is in the description. Honestly, this thing surprised me a lot. I didn't know what to expect, or I thought because it looks kind of like the AI pin, it would be a huge failure, but honestly, it's the opposite. I don't make any money if you buy this, by the way, so I just wanted to share a really cool product that matches this little dinosaur. If you enjoy seeing random AI stuff like this, let me know. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time.